Hey Pete, what are you up to?
Well, Megan, since today's show is focused on water, I thought we should start off with a toast.
Well, that's appropriate. Should we toast to soft water or hot water or saving water?
Well, since we're going to show how all three are related, let's toast to all three. Cheers.
Sounds good. You know, water quality is very important to our first guest.
Mark Dovitz is a water technology expert and has been providing water treatment options to homeowners for 29 years. Mark, thanks for taking the time to talk with us. We're excited to learn about water softener systems. Let's go to the basics. What are the benefits of soft water?
Sure. Two big benefits. One is the appliances, the mechanical infrastructure in your home. Protect the water heater, the dishwasher, any water using appliance is going to perform better, last longer with soft water. Second big benefit is when it comes to soaps and cleaners. With soft water, you're going to use about 75% less soaps and cleaners to get the same job done. One of the first things the consumer notices is just how their skin feels. The most obvious thing is that soaps are going to lather much better, and because they don't have that tacky soap scum or calcium scum in their soap, it's going to rinse better. So what the customer feels is a much silkier skin. They notice that right away. Second biggest thing they're going to notice is when they pull dishes out of the dishwasher, they're going to be spot free. Because there's no calcium left in the water sheets off, the dishes dry better. Those are going to be the two most obvious benefits.
You also talked about extending the life of appliances, another benefit.
Correct. When we look at something like a water heater, if we don't have any calcium in the water, that won't lime up in the water heater. That water heater is going to last much longer because of it.
We're always interested here on PowerHouse in terms of energy savings. Let's take that over, savings energy in terms of heating my water.
Yes, whether it's a gas or an electric water heater, you will see about a 30% savings in the energy cost to keep that water heater running.
And that's sizable, but we're not talking about a lot of energy, electricity going into a system like this.
Correct. A high efficiency water softener like this, it's all digital technology. It only draws about 2 cents worth of electricity per month to keep the system operating.
That's very, very minimal, Mark. Let's talk a little bit about ballpark costs in terms of, give us a sense of installation, coming in and putting in a water softener system.
Okay, as far as installation, the home we have plumbed in here, we've actually run hard water back to the outside faucets. There's no benefit to softening water going out to the lawn. High efficiency softener will save about 46% in terms of operating costs, energy, salt consumption, etc. versus a traditional softener. Installation is typically included with the purchase of a water softener. So whether we're starting with an entry-level unit at around $1,400 or running with a high efficiency unit for around $2,400, installation is going to be wrapped up in that total cost.
Okay, and maintenance, what am I looking at maintenance for the year?
That's a great question because maintenance is almost nothing. It's really a forget it type appliance. Biggest operating cost for the homeowner is just salt. Salt is being used to clean the water softener to keep that softening resin charged. With a high efficiency unit, 20 to 25 pounds of salt per month to keep the system running. With a less energy efficient unit, they may be looking at 50 to 60 pounds of salt per month. We have a 250 pound salt storage tank. You can fill the storage tank. It takes care of itself after that.
Technology, we hear about apps, an app for a water softening system.
Yep, this unit is set up with that app. That's really where a lot of our efficiency comes in. It adjusts for temperature, changing water qualities, salt dosages. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so the softener can call our office and let us know if there's a technical problem. The softener can also notify you on your phone if there's a leak. So if you're on vacation and it detects a leak, it can let you know. You can actually turn off your softener while on vacation.
I do want to ask you a little bit about a question about water taste. Do I notice that?
Some folks will notice a difference in taste. Taste becomes a very personal discussion, but a lot of times that discussion right away goes into water purification, where we can filter the water to bottled water quality for just pennies a glass and no energy consumption.
And that would be an add-on to a system a little bit in terms of making it a little bit more of a high end?
Correct. That's something we would add in for the consumer in addition to the water softener.
Well, Mark, you've shared a lot of great information, a lot of benefits about having a water softening system. Thanks for sharing your knowledge with us.
Of course. Thank you, Pete.
And if you'd like more information about how you can save on your water usage, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.